Welcome to 8th class maths, the fourth chapter exponents and powers. In the previous video we have discussed laws of exponents. Once again I am writing all the formulas together. First formula, a to the power m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Next one, a into b whole power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power of m. These two are product rules. Next one, a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A by b whole power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Next formula, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Next one, a power 0 is equal to 1. Nth root a is equal to a to the power 1 by n. Using these formulas only, we can do the first exercise. Now we are moving to first exercise, first problem. Now you can see there. Now the first problem, simplify and give reasons. 4 to the power minus 3. How can you do? First thing there, here, you know that one formula. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Already you know this formula or not? A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Just this problem is as same as a to the power of minus m. That means can I write there 4 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4 power 3. That means you have to write 1 by 4 into 4 into 4. That means 1 by 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. This is your answer. First problem. Next one, once see here. Second one. Minus 2 whole power 7. How can you do? Here minus 2 whole power 7 is equal, we have to multiply minus 2 as many, how many times? Here 7 times. That means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into here minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. One more minus 2. Already you can see here 7 is even number or odd number. Check it. 7 is odd number. Whenever 7 is odd number, if the base having negative symbol, the result also will get negative only directly. If you have any doubt, once check it. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus only. You need not to do whole calculation here. Simply you can see if the exponent is odd number, you will get the result will be negative number. Now you can do calculation. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 2 ja 64, 64 2 ja 128. You will get how much your answer? Minus 128 is your answer. Next one here, 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. Already we know that one formula. One more here, a by b whole power minus m is equal to a by b whole power minus m is equal, we have to write a is the numerator, b is the denominator. Just you can write the reciprocal of this number. What will be rate is reciprocal of this number? You can write b by a whole power m. This is another formula. A by b whole power minus m is equal b by a whole power m. Now you can see here 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. That means you can directly write 4 by 3 whole power 3. Using this formula, see 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. When you can use this formula is if the exponent having negative symbol. Here negative symbol, it will become positive. When you can write the reciprocal of the given number. A by b is reciprocal b by a. 3 by 4 reciprocal 4 by 3. I am writing 4 by 3 whole power 3. Now you can write 4 cube by 3 cube. Already we have discussed a by b whole power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. So that using this formula I am writing 4 power 3 by 3 power 3. You know that 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4 by 3 power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. That means 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64 by 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. This is your answer. Next, coming to next problem. Here minus 3 whole power minus 4. First, already we know that a to the power minus m, a to the power minus m is equal 1 by a to the power m. Yes or no? A to the power of minus m is equal 1 by a to the power of m. In the same way, can I write 1 by minus 3 whole power 4? Can I write it using this formula? A to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power of m minus 3 whole power minus 4 means 1 by minus 3 whole power 4. Now we can write 1 by minus 3 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. That means you can write minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Already in the previous problem we have discussed, if the exponent is odd number you will get the result will be negative. If the exponent is positive number you will get positive only directly. You can write 1 by, you will get plus value only. Why? Because see, if you have any doubt you can check minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. You need not to do calculation, just simply you can see if the power is even number or odd number. If the odd number your result will be negative, if the even number you will get result will be plus. Now you can multiply 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. That means your answer is 1 by 81. Next one, simplify. Second bit, simplify the following: 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. Now you can guess which formula is suitable for this problem. Already you know that a to the power m into a to the power m is equal to, what is your problem answer? This formula will be a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power m plus n. See, if the bases are same, the numbers will be multiplied. Operation is multiplication. Just you can add the exponents. That means you can see here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That means all bases are same. Here the operation is multiplication. Just you can add the exponents. That means I can directly write the answer 1 by 2 whole power. Just see m plus n. That means you are adding exponents. You can write there 4 plus 5 plus 6. That means your answer will become 1 by 2 whole power. 4 plus 5 how much? 9. 9 plus 6 how much? 15. That means your answer will become 1 power 15 means you will get 1 only. 1 power 15 by 2 power 15. Then it is 1 power 15 means 1 only. By 2 power 15 you can write. That means you have to multiply 2 15 times. If it is the biggest number you will write like this only.